Welcome back to Primetime News, and it's now time for the Health Report. In this evening's edition, Shamela Pullen looks at breastfeeding.
Breastfeeding can be a wonderful experience for mother and baby. It's the ideal nourishment for newborns.
The different formulation of breast milk, the colostrum, then we go to more water for hydration, the electrolytes, then we go to the creamier formula with increased fat and carbohydrate, the lactose. So you can't mimic that with formulas. So the breast really is always best. And what is critical with breast milk is the antibodies, which are useful for keeping baby healthy, boosting the baby's immune system.
But for mothers who decide to formula feed their babies, nutritionist Dr. Joy Callender says it's important that they seek guidance from a healthcare professional.
So there are excellent formulas and any number of varieties on the market. You should be guided by the pediatrician, the nurse, midwife, people who have experience with the different formulas. If baby has some kind of allergy to, let's say, dairy or soy, there are other formulas where the protein can be broken down into what we call peptides, hydrolyzed peptides. So you do need some guidance, and I would take that from your healthcare professional.
Mothers who find it difficult to breastfeed should also seek help.
First thing, have the baby attached to the breast in the correct way, not just gripping the nipple, but gripping the areola, that darker area, and encouraging the mother to relax. Very important, because and to exclusively breastfeed, because the more she focuses on doing the breastfeeding exclusively, the more milk she'll produce. The more the baby sucks, the more oxytocin is produced, and the more milk will flow.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.